What a move on the SPY after dropping big in the pre-market and bouncing back up in the open, guys. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers. Welcome back. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 9:40 a.m. sent out a bull indicator from that 642.90 level all the way up towards 645. Full strength there on 42 vision. Inflows across the midpoint to the upside, going from the dip area to the rip area of bright green bars. And call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment to join the members using 42 Vision and maximizing within the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now become part of it as well. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So the SPY here did a full transition as well, back up from the dip area on the 30-minute, back up to dark green bars. And the home run of the day was from our Amazon call out. I sent this out early on in the morning after it pushed upwards, and it was sitting sideways here, and it had a bounce from 228 to 230, going in the money, the 230 calls I sent out, and they went up nearly 40% plus. It pulled back, and it took off to 232, almost 233, and you could see it here. It was sitting at 112 when I sent it out. I did an update on it. It went up nearly 40% plus so far. And then the highest points that we saw it was at 2.8, at the highest point of 150% plus so far on the day within just a few hours. And at the highest peak, it was over 200%, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to join the community and become a member of using 42 Vision, seeing our videos and everything we have to offer with our A+ setup strategy to equip you with the knowledge and the edge within the volatility of the markets and these charts. So the SPY has pushed back up here to 644. The all-time high is 646. We were talking about how we could possibly pull back down on these dates after hitting this all-time high, but as long as the bull and bear indicators are still on these charts, it goes ahead and justifies any move to the upside on the larger time frames. We just need the lower time frames to align. And we've done full transitions here from wire Fred borders to dark green bars so far on the 15-minute and 30-minute. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation. Here we are with the SPY back under a bull indicator on the 15-minute. And if we zoom out towards the 30-minute, we also see a bull indicator here holding up, guys. Through the volatility, there's a bull indicator here at 643.74, and then up here at the 15-minute, 643.62. That's a crucial level here because we have more than one level and time frame showing us that level of bull indicators, canceling out those bear indicators. Now, when we go all the way out towards the 1 hour, we could see that bull indicator holding up here since 636. And then also the 2 hour has not been canceled since down here at 625. And I've talked about it. We may have pullbacks, right? Towards 642, towards 640, 643. And when we bounce back up, it's going to be crucial for the lower time frames to align, have multiple bull indicators in place, and align with the larger ones, because any pullback is not justifiable for as long as these bull indicators on the 2 hour and the 1 hour continue to hold. And that's exactly what we're seeing. And now this dip today in the morning turned out to be a huge opportunity back to the upside, pushing things up. But we have a huge resistance up here of outflow level near 645.50, which you could see with our inflow versus outflow. So we need to break that resistance to break out towards 646 and the next resistance that we've talked about, which is 647. So So it's going to be crucial here going into tomorrow. I'm going to be watching for these bull indicators to continue to hold in effect on the 30-minute and the 15-minute and the 1 hour and 2 hour to not switch up, even if there's slight pullbacks. And if we don't pull back at all, we need to break this resistance of 645.60 that was rejected twice here so far. And we want these bull indicators to hold to justify the move to the upside. And then we need to break 646.20, and then comes 647, and then above that is the 650 level. Now to the downside, I will be watching if these bull indicators get canceled on the lower time frames. If outflows cross to the downside, I will be watching down towards 643 all the way down towards 640. And then also if this bull indicator on the 1 hour and 2 hour do not get canceled, guys. Those are the key things I'll be watching to the downside to justify any possible reversal and strength. And those inflow versus outflows, I'll monitor them very closely. Now, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected. You'll be able to receive access to our 42 vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow, and then also join the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are flying up to the upside or to the downside, and where they find their support. Because with our bull and bear indicators, you're able to see the strength of trend, guys. Look at all the volatility here in the last 2 days, but things continue to have justification to the upside because the strength of trend is still there. And that's what 42 vision allows us to see, and you can get equipped with it as well. So the SPY here is up near all-time highs, and we really want to see things hold up here. Any break below 642 and 640 will be something to not ignore, because this could quickly switch the 1 hour and 2 hour from bull to bear indicators. And I will be watching that. But if we go ahead and break and these bull indicators continue to hold up to the upside, this is what I have to say. If you know what movie that's from, comment down below. And as always, guys, these are the levels I'm going to be watching. The bull indicators are looking pretty strong on the lower time frames as well as the larger ones. We just need them to align and continue, and we need to break the resistance up here of these outflow levels that are pinning down the SPY so far and the overall markets. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.